Now, I've never ever used one of these before, and I am scared. Right, so I'm going to see if sometimes being a cheapskate works out. I recently bought a stand for the fire blade and a front stand, and it didn't fit.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
So I've gone really cheap this time. I bought the cheapest set of stands I could on eBay, and let's find out if I'm going to regret it. Probably am. But let's have a look. Setup instructions, if that focuses. Now this should be front and back. So, wheels and the front fork lifters, wheels and the rear lifters. Wow. So bits and pieces in here. Springs, nuts and bolts. And the stands. Now I checked the reviews. Most were good. One said they were flimsy and out of line and terrible. So I'm not expecting a lot, but as long as they are safe. So, gone together fairly well. I mean, the truth is, these don't look flimsy at all. I think they look quite good quality. Suppose we'll give it a go. I hope it doesn't make the bike fall over. Seems to do the job. That's solid. Now, I've never ever used one of these before, and I am scared. Scared it's going to come off at the back. Seems okay so far. So I have to confess, I am very, very pleased. 60 quid for both stands. Sometimes you don't need to spend a fortune, do you? What a bike. Alright, shall we see if we can get the bike down now without it falling off? Never done that before either. Solid though. Alright, nice and carefully. Let's have a look. Lovely.